Hey guys, Brad here from Ocean Protect here in beautiful Winston Hills at one of our clients' sites. This is with the Skymark Group. I'm here with Andrew and Taylor. How are we going, gentlemen?
Yeah, good. Very good.
Living the dream, keeping it real. We have actually installed a stormwater treatment train for this site. We've got a combination of OceanGuard gully pit baskets and you can see here, StormFilter cartridges. So the OceanGuard gully pit baskets are integrated as part of the treatment train to capture the sediment, the litter, and from there, it'll drain to the StormFilter cartridges where we can target the more smaller dissolved pollutants, the nutrients, the hydrocarbons, the heavy metals, etc. You can see here, this is a super constrained site, but even despite that, we can still integrate these assets in quite comfortably, where they can be installed easily, but also maintained by Andrew and Taylor and others as well. So it'll go a long way to protecting downstream Toongabbie waterway, and also obviously Parramatta River and Sydney Harbour. So instead of just stormwater from this site washing any pollutant loads into Toongabbie, into Parramatta River, into Sydney Harbour, we'll obviously stop a lot of pollution and better protect those waterways. If you want to find out more about Ocean Guards or storm filters or Ocean Protect, just give us a shout out. Check.